As a homeowner, you may be wondering what you gotta do to increase the value of your home and make it more expensive. Well, in this video, we'll be discussing 3 pointers that helps you as a homeowner to add value to your home and makes it more valuable. Welcome to my real estate channel on YouTube, a sincere real estate chat. 3 things that you can do that simply can add value to your home. Number 1 is cosmetic updates. This can include painting the walls, updating the flooring, updating the fixtures and lighting, and upgrading your kitchen and bathrooms. This may be expensive to do, but on the other side, it can also add tremendous amount of money to the valuation of your home if you do it smartly. What do I mean by that? Do the renovation and upgrades and any kind of repairs that you want to upgrade your home to increase the value with the buyers in mind. Get a consultation, get to the top trends of the day, and do it with the buyers in mind, not your own taste. That's going to bring us to number 2, and that's updating and taking care of your curb appeal. They always say first impression is the last impression. Guess what? Your curb appeal is your first impression and welcoming the buyers. And that's the last thing they're going to remember when they're going to their car. This can include painting the exterior wall of your property, cleaning up the roof, as well as doing the gardening and making it look attractive according to the season. And last but not least, number 3 is adding the square footage. Adding the square footage at spaces that are already not finished, like basement, can increase the valuation of your home significantly. Yet again, before you tackle this kind of project, make sure you consult with a professional that can guide you through this process to see whether there is a value by doing it or not. Adding a square foot, it could be done through creating an extra bathroom or a bedroom. And if your square footage can offer that and making a 2-bedroom home into a 3-bedroom family home, that can significantly add to your value. Keep that in mind. The 3 points above that I mentioned depends on the market and the activity and the style of your home. So before you tackling any of these projects, stop. Book a free consultation with me. I'm at your service. I can answer all your questions and we can go through whether these processes can match with the higher valuation of your home. Another note, I offer free and no obligation home valuation service. That is something on all my client lists, they love it, and they get a monthly update on the changes of the market and the valuation of their home as they go on. Since they have me on a speed dial, they consult with me to see whether there are certain things required to do to increase the value of their home. I'm going to put the link below for free home valuation. Give it a shot, take advantage of it. Thanks for watching this video, give it a thumbs up, and better yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.